Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently, which is different to obviously taking a break. I'll explain the difference in a minute. But if you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And also consider subscribing to the channel for more step-by-steps, how-tos and neat tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So if we come across to our Facebook account, and once we're logged in, we need to come across and click the arrow up here which says account. And then we're going to go ahead and click settings and privacy, and then settings at the top. So in the menu on the left hand side, you need to go ahead and click on this button here which says your Facebook information, and then if we scroll down slightly, you'll see the option here, deactivation and deletion, and it says temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. So we're going to go ahead and click the view button. So it's going to come up with the two options, and this is the difference between the two. So if you're just wanting to take a bit of a break from Facebook, if you find that it's becoming a bit of a distraction and you're spending a bit more time than you want to, what you can do is click the deactivate account button, this option here, and what it's going to do is just going to disable your account, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. You can still use Facebook Messenger, and all your information, as in all the photos you've uploaded, posts and things like that should all be stored. All it's going to do is literally just give you a temporary break from Facebook. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to permanently delete your account. So what we're going to do is actually select this option here and give that a click. And obviously it's a permanent deletion, so once you delete your account, that is it. You can't retrieve any sort of content or information you shared on Facebook. That is completely wiped, as well as all of your messages and your messenger that's linked to this Facebook profile. Everything will be completely wiped. So if you're happy to go ahead, what you need to do is click on continue to account deletion down here. And it's going to give you a few options. So it's just basically going to give you a bit of advice, really, to make sure you are making the right choice and you are definitely wanting to permanently delete your account. It's saying obviously if you want to keep your messenger, you need to deactivate instead, because if you delete your Facebook account, it's actually going to delete your messenger as well if you go ahead and permanently delete your account. What you can do, you can download your information, and it's just going to give you a quick summary. So for my example, for my profile, I've got 13,000 photos, 5.8 thousand posts and more uploaded to Facebook. What I can do, I can actually download all my information, which will be downloaded as a file before I go ahead and delete my account. So if I wanted to keep the photos I've uploaded and things like that. And it's also going to say if you're an admin for any pages, it's going to give you a bit of information on that as well. So if you're still happy to go ahead and permanently delete your account, what you need to do is come down and click the button here, delete account, and that's going to go ahead and permanently delete your Facebook account. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, drop a like and a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials.